Your ex will miss you when 1. When you focus on personal growth. One of the most compelling moments when your ex is likely to miss you is when they witness your commitment to personal growth. If you invest time and energy into self-improvement, pursue your passions, and demonstrate positive changes, it can create a sense of admiration and nostalgia for the person you are becoming. Your ex will miss you when you give them space. Granting your ex the space that they need after a breakup is crucial for both parties. When you respect their boundaries and avoid unnecessary contact, it allows them the freedom to reflect on your relationship. This absence and the subsequent silence may prompt your ex to recognize the void that you once filled in their life. Your ex will miss you when you flourish in your own independence. Independence is attractive, and when your ex observes you thriving on your own, it can trigger a sense of admiration and missing your presence. Whether it's excelling in your career, pursuing personal goals, or simply embracing a fulfilling life independently, it may make your ex nostalgic for the dynamic that you once shared. Your ex will miss you when you showcase your happiness. Radiating happiness and contentment, especially on social media or in shared social circles, can be a powerful trigger for your ex to miss you. Seeing you genuinely happy without them might prompt them to reflect on the positive aspects of your relationship and the joy that you once brought into each other's lives. Your ex will miss you when you maintain a positive connection. If you navigate the post-breakup phase with grace and maintain a positive connection, your ex is more likely to miss the positive aspects of your relationship. This could involve handling disagreements maturely, showing kindness, and fostering a sense of amicability. Your ex will miss you when you achieve milestones. Reaching personal milestones or achieving significant goals can be a powerful reminder to your ex of your capabilities and the shared triumphs that you once celebrated together. This could be professional accomplishments, educational achievements, or personal milestones that showcase your growth and resilience. Your ex will miss you when you're unavailable. Creating a sense of unavailability, whether it's by being genuinely busy or engaging in activities that don't involve your ex, can make them realize the void left by your absence. The contrast of your previous availability might evoke a sense of longing and prompt them to miss the connection that you shared. Your ex will miss you when you showcase emotional maturity. Demonstrating emotional maturity in handling the aftermath of a breakup can be a catalyst for your ex to miss you. This involves handling emotions with grace, avoiding unnecessary drama, and showing resilience in the face of challenges. Now, if you want to learn the most scientifically validated technique for getting your ex back into your arms, click the link in the description and the pinned comment below. And then you can click right here for another great relationship and psychology video, and I will see you there.